What up, players? Welcome back to a new video. Now we're here with a very special gift from the guys at Auto Metal Direct for this truck. So we got Martin's 68 C10 here, and the guys at Auto Metal Direct hooked us up. If you could tell from this giant box what it is. If you can't, we're about to open it up and see what's inside. This just got here today. We've been talking to them for a couple weeks now, and their gift finally showed up. So I reached out to them a couple weeks ago, like I said, see if they were interested in teaming up, and they were. So here's our gift. Martin's opening it up. Oh shit! Box inside of a box. One more time. Dude, just ran into me. Well, that side was supposed to be up and it's not up anymore, so they probably sent you a sideways hood, dude.
Another box.
No way. Oh, it is upside down. The doves flying out.
An upside down hood.
Oh! Sick ass sticker. Alright, players, now you can see we open up the box and it's a cow hood. So I think it's like probably like a 2-inch cow hood, maybe a 1-inch, I don't know. But the guys over at Auto Metal Direct hooked us up big time with this. Martin's pretty hyped up. So we're about to take this one off. This is the other hood. And I don't know if you guys remember seeing the white truck that we worked on a while back. It was like one of our cousin's trucks. We did like a cam swap and stuff to his. We changed the intake and everything. Anyways, he's taking this hood to put on his white truck. So this one's coming off. And then Martin's gonna be doing some work to this one. It's got a little dent in it. So some light body work. And you guys know how Martin gets down. He's gonna probably paint this, get it the same black that the truck is, and we gotta install these hood latches because he's running these ones. Where'd you get these hood latches from?
Porterbuilt.
These are Porterbuilt hood latches. So we're about to remove these, and then we're gonna have to reinstall them on this hood. We're gonna have to make new holes. Like I said, we're pretty hyped with this. It's gonna be a changed look on the C10. I'm excited to see what it looks like because it's gonna be like a different face now that it has a cow on it.
Hey, you know that shit's battery powered, right?
Yeah, but you have to break them loose, you fuck. Oh shit, you're recording, my bad. Make sure you beep that one out.
Martin always tells Bethel that too. These freaking hoods are insanely heavy for no reason, guys.
Put it right there.
So we're gonna take this hood off right now. The new hood's gonna be our tripod.
3 of them.
Put it on the box. All right, players. So old hood is off, and now they're about to throw the cow hood on. You guys see the first look? It's already gonna be sick. I told him to throw I told him to put the Chevrolet letters back on the hood. What do you guys think?
Trim where the tubs hit.
You know, like the original C10s have Chevrolet spelled all the way across right here. I don't know, because everything's pretty much shaved off this truck. I don't know if it would look well, but
You need the spoiler back to go with
Cut
that.
this.
huh?
I have to cut it like this, look.
Oh yeah, this one is cut up a lot.
So you need the spoiler back too.
I have a spoiler.
Why is that cut though? Is it sitting on the tire or what?
It sits on the,
tubs. Fucking wheel wells.
Oh.
it hits on the inner fender.
See that? Hold it. Yep.
So
Gotta
I
be
gotta trim it.
chopped up a little bit. But dude, that thing actually looks sick. I don't know if I was gonna like it, but it actually looks pretty sick. What do you guys think? Let us know in the comments if this hood, 2-inch, it's like a 2-inch cow hood, right, Dean?
Yeah.
If the cow hood looks good, or if you guys like this one better. Also, if Martin should do the letters on the hood. I don't think it's gonna match that well, but I always like those letters. I gotta find them too because he took them off of his original hood and I kept them. I just don't know what I did with it. Also, he's half Tesla now. He's solar paneled powered in the truck.
I can fucking park in the EV parkings and be like,
Oh yeah,
I'm
you
fucking
can.
charging. Look, in the sun, charging.
And it's in the shade right now.
That is true.
EV powered, my boy.
You can put that right up here where your sunroof goes. That little square.
Let me get you.
Okay guys, so we got Martin's old hood. We got it sitting over here on this stand, and basically he's about to
See, 20.
trace these brackets because these are Porterbuilt brackets. He's got the Porterbuilt hood hinges on. In order to make that hood bolt on to his hinges, he's gonna need these kind of brackets again. So he's gonna trace them, and then he's gonna have them get made, and then we're gonna have to re-weld the new ones on the new hood. So that way we get this whole thing opening and closing good, mounted, and like you guys saw earlier, it's gonna need a little bit of trimming underneath for the tubs. He doesn't know if he's gonna modify the tubs, get rid of the tubs, or cut the hood, but we're gonna make things work here. This thing looks pretty sick. I really like how it looks actually. I was kind of worried at first if it was gonna match like the style of the truck, but everything looks pretty sleek still and smooth. All right guys, so it's gonna be a little bit of time before Martin starts getting this hood finalized and stuff, but I had some footage actually on Beth's Camaro. I don't know if any of you guys came out to our cruise and you noticed the carbon fiber on the hood now. So there's a few things that had got done to Beth's car in order to get it rolling and going for our cruise basically. And so I had recorded a few things before our cruise. I just didn't include them in our full cruise video because it's kind of like separate from that. I'm gonna be showing you guys those clips right now. What up players? Welcome back to another Yonka video. We're back over here working on Beth's car, getting it ready for the Yonka cruise. As you guys can see, that hood is looking a little glossier than usual. And Martin is out here mixing some stuff up over there. So Bethel finally got his hood back. And it looks insane, guys. See, good timing because the sun's perfectly shining on it right now. You can see this thing looks crazy. So perfectly done too, so smooth. And then also we're getting the windows. You guys know how he did the whole like flush mounted window thing. He's getting this nice and built up. They use like that kitty litter. You have that
Kitty hair.
Kitty hair? Bethel's calling kitty litter.
Kitty
Where's that shit
litter.
at? You have a can of that shit?
It's up there.
They've been using this kitty hair. It's like a fiberglass type of body filler. So it's like stronger than like Bondo. It's a little bit better because it's fiberglass, it's stronger. So they use those to smoothen out these edges. You guys saw that Bethel added more metal or longer sheet metal here. And so now he's got a little bit of Bondo over it. Obviously it's not all gonna stay. He's just using this to build up so he can shape it, so it could be nice and smooth. So we got, Martin's been doing this. He got the front side on right now, caked on. And now he's loading up the back side over here for the rear window. So Beto's trying to get the car nice and drivable so he could hit the cruise with us. Martin got the C10 ready. Did Primo end up fixing the fan relays?
Came and fixed my radiators.
One of the relays on the C10, or both of the relays, I don't know. The wiring was like, I don't know if it got wet or something. It kind of got like corroded and like fell apart from the relay. So his truck was like overheating. The fans just weren't turning on. And I had been real busy with the work, so I haven't really been able to come like look through his wiring and stuff and try to figure it out. So the guy who actually did his wiring, Juan, was over here. He had some free time and he came and checked it out for him. So fans on the C10, back to normal. So AK C10, ready to roll on the Yonka cruise. But yeah, so Beto, tell us about the hood. How did this thing get like this? Obviously,
I paid somebody to do it. That's how it got done.
no, so Beto has planned, don't know the color yet, but he's thinking a blue color, obviously to paint the car, right?
And I wanted to do carbon stripes, but I wasn't able to find. Obviously I got the anvil stuff, all of the trunk, the front end, but I couldn't find this hood. Anybody that makes it real carbon fiber.
So Glassec actually makes this Sonico style hood, obviously in glass. That's why the company's called Glass Tech. They specialize in fiberglass.
We couldn't find
But
it.
nobody makes it in carbon fiber. And like he was saying, he wants a carbon fiber. He's going for a carbon fiber stripe. No matter what color the car goes, he wants to keep the stripe up here. So he's gonna leave the carbon exposed up here, wherever the stripe is gonna be, and then obviously paint the rest, right? So Bethel found this guy on Instagram, South Bay Carbon Fiber. So this guy does real carbon fiber overlays on like anything basically. So he got the hood. This is like real carbon fiber, like the blankets, the sheets. It's a solid one piece. So you can see like this guy really knows his stuff. Look how smooth everything rolls over on the bends of the hood. It looks really nice. So that got done to the hood. He wrapped over the hood because it didn't do the full hood because obviously he's gonna do the stripes. The stripes aren't gonna be over here. This will all be painted. So the hood's on and
Thumbnail.
wait, do a thumbnail. Come over here.
The hood.
You guys know we gotta get the wait. Do the face, do the face. And he got the fucking spoiler wrap too. So you guys know, everybody always asks questions about this. I know we've been getting a lot of new subscribers recently. But so Bethel did his original, well it's not, I don't know if these spoilers are original for Camaros, but they are?
The spoiler is original and I
This
extended
is-
it.
Yeah, but I'm saying like, did Camaros back then come with this spoiler? Okay, well apparently some Camaros came with these spoilers. Normally they're this tall, but what they did was added this piece with fiberglass as well. So Martin and Junior and Bethel all built up on the stock height. I think like 2 inches, I don't know, all the way across. And then the same thing
too.
Same thing with the corners. The normal height is like this, and they added onto it fiberglass. So they got this wrap too because the stripes will obviously come all the way to the wing. And you guys know he's got the carbon fiber deck lid. Even this fucking little panel up here, Bethel's hooked up. He got a good deal on all this stuff. He got a lot of stuff at Anvil, and he really came up a while back on a lot of parts at the Long Beach swap meet. So this thing's gonna be sick, guys. So we'll keep you guys updated right now. Martin's just putting in some work on this to get the windows mounted. Most of that bundle's coming off. Just built up pretty thick to shape it and make it nice and smooth. Pretty much comes all the way off, all the way around. But this is gonna allow the front windshield to go on, and the window's gonna come back off anyways because Bethel's just putting it on to get the car out there on the cruise.
The window he's trying to put back on the fucking
Yeah, guys, what do you guys think? Bethel should put this window back on?
I'm going to.
Look at this window.
It's gonna come off the very next
The
day.
tape isn't there just for no reason. It's there to hold it together because the glass is like in 1,000 pieces.
Nah, the tint's holding it together.
Yeah.
The tape is just, look.
Apparently he's gonna
Yeah.
want to put this stupid glass back on.
Hey,
At
you
least-
fucking got me working over here. You didn't even bring me a beer or nothing?
Not today.
Fucking modern day, bro. Modern day.
I'm gonna go to your house and get you some.
I don't have any beer.
This isn't a true Yonke video without a Martin Michelob sponsor beer in his hand.
Everyone drop a L in the chat for Bethel not bringing me beer.
And eating in front
Thank
of you while you
I'm
work.
fucking eating in front of you. Badass.
You're doing a good job, man.
Oh, thank you.
Good encouragement, you know?
Boss, thank you.
Alright guys, so that pretty much wraps up this week's video. Big shout out to the guys at Auto Metal Direct for that hood. It looks so sick on the truck, guys. It looks so sick on the truck. So if you guys ever need panels, if you guys are looking for body panels for your cars, check them out for sure. They got tons of panels, tons of cars, all different makes and years. So great quality stuff, really solid, and we're really hyped up for this hood, guys. So we should be seeing some novel content coming up soon. Just stay tuned for the next video, guys. I'll catch you next time. Peace out.